Thanks a lot for giving Senuto a try. My name is Karolina, and I'm here to make sure your experience with Senuto will be smooth and nice. Let me walk you through the app really quickly. Senuto consists of 4 main modules and intuitive SEO tools that help to speed up different stages of an SEO process. Let's start with visibility analysis. There, you can check and compare all keywords any chosen domain ranks for in Google, be it your own domain or domains of your closest competitors in organic search. This is the heart of the app. We work nights and days to provide our users with the largest dataset on the market. And it looks like we have succeeded. Using Senuto, you're able to discover around 30 to 50% more keywords than with any of the leading all-in-one SEO tools. Just take a look. Here you get a beautiful chart that shows how a domain's organic visibility changes over time. Add competitive domains to the chart to examine the situation in Google versus yours. After all, that's the first step towards a thorough competitor analysis, right? Now, check what keywords they are gaining and you are losing, and vice versa. Also, don't forget to spot competitive keywords you don't rank for and add them to your content plan. There are plenty of other features to analyze and spy competitors, as well as to catch an overview of your own domain inside this module. Make sure you explore it. Now, are we clear about how important it is to run an in-depth analysis of your competitors? Great! Now let's go to another Senuto module, which gives you a weapon inevitable to overcome your rivals in Google. Let's talk about Keyword Explorer. Here you'll find tons of keyword ideas to run successful SEO campaigns. The keywords in Senuto are topically related to your query, include real questions asked by users, and fit you up with all the key metrics such as search volume, CPC, SERP features, and much, much more. For better domain ranking, Senuto provides keywords that help your domain to build its topical authority. Oh, one more thing. Our Keyword Explorer doesn't bother you with 0 potential searches. There are only real queries entered by Google users. Make sure you will not miss the keyword overview. You can access it by clicking this magnifying glass here. Because it's extremely important to know what type of content is present in the current result pages, feel welcome to explore another module in Senuto, SERP analysis. Specific data about top 10 results for a given keyword is what you need to identify factors which helped your competitors to get top rankings. In SERP analysis, you can learn about the average content length, number of headings on the page, and meta titles wording. This module is under open data, we still work on it, focused to extend the set of factors. But give it a try. You can find really cool insights in here. Set up your first project to track the positions of your domain for important keywords. Fresh data will await you every single day. Our rank tracker takes into account SERP features and provides results from different locations and soon, different types of devices. Also, here you will track if your domain is present in Google Maps and Direct Answer. Oh, and remember, for a broader perspective, you can always integrate Senuto with your Google Analytics and Search Console account. I recommend you as well to automate your SEO reports with our Data Studio and Google Sheets integrations. Yes, we also provide API. Feel free not only to test Senuto, but also contact our customer support team if you have any questions, suggestions, or just an opinion to share. Contact us directly using the chat extension within the app or by email directly at s.rank@senuto.com.